Dreaming of a home that feels sleek, smart, and effortlessly luxurious? These high-end Amazon gadgets bring cutting-edge convenience and modern design into everyday living. From stylish upgrades to clever innovations, each one adds a touch of sophistication to your space. All products are linked in the description below. Step into the future of showers. This smart rain shower has a swivel head that rotates 360 degrees and offers gentle rainfall or invigorating massage jets. The hydroelectric digital display shows the water temperature without needing batteries. Mood LED lights turn your bathroom into a relaxing spa, while thermostatic control keeps water steady and safe. Durable brass construction, powerful pressurized flow, and easy wall installation make every shower both luxurious and effortless. Bring a volcanic glow to your room. This diffuser turns water and essential oils into soothing mist using ultrasonic technology, filling your space with fragrance and calm. Choose between flame or volcano mode and switch red or blue LED lights to set the perfect mood. It's whisper quiet, has a timer, and even shuts off automatically when the water runs low. Remote control makes it effortless, so relaxation is just a button away. Upgrade your living room with a table that does it all. This smart coffee table has built-in fridge drawers to keep drinks cold, plus stereo Bluetooth speakers with deep bass for the perfect party vibe. Charge your devices easily with 15-watt wireless charging, USB ports, and 110-volt outlets. RGB lights dance to the music, adding a fun atmosphere. Durable, easy to clean, and packed with storage, it's both stylish and ultra-functional. Turn any wall into a smart hub. This touchscreen panel has Alexa built in, letting you control lights, music, cameras, locks, and more with a tap or your voice. It works with Ring, Sonos, Hue, Nest, and other smart devices, all from one sleek screen. Built-in motion sensors and a privacy shutter keep it secure and convenient. Easy to install and clutter-free, it makes managing your smart home simple and seamless. Turn your bedroom into a galaxy. This projector fills walls and ceilings with vivid stars, nebulae, and cosmic wonders, all rotating quietly for a relaxing experience. With 13 different space scenes, you can explore everything from the Milky Way to distant black holes. Set the timer to drift off without worry, or adjust rotation speed to match your mood. USB powered and easy to use. It's perfect for stargazing, ambiance, or dreamy nights at home. Transform your sleep into a spa-like experience. This adjustable bed lets you lift your head up to 60 degrees and legs up to 45 degrees, helping with snoring, circulation, and proper spine alignment. The 10-inch gel memory foam mattress conforms to your body while keeping you cool all night. Zero gravity and memory positions on the remote make it easy to find your perfect angle. Easy to assemble, durable, and supportive, it turns bedtime into pure comfort. Upgrade your walls with a modern twist. This double-sided corner clock shows time clearly with hollow numbers and silent quartz movement, perfect for any room. The LED sensor lights up automatically in low light so you can read the time at night without fumbling. Sleek, stylish, and rust-resistant, it fits on corners or pillars with ease. Battery-operated and quiet, it's both functional and a chic decor statement. Step into the ultimate gaming zone. This setup lets you lie back in zero-gravity style while enjoying a wide-angle view on screens up to 55 inches. The extra-large electric keyboard table adjusts to your perfect angle, and the magnetic memory headrest remembers your favorite positions. Ultra-long sight distance keeps every detail crisp, whether you're gaming or streaming. Built for comfort and performance, it turns every session into a next-level experience. Fill your room with vibrant sound. This smart speaker streams music, podcasts, and audiobooks from all your favorite services or via Bluetooth. Ask Alexa to check the weather, set timers, or even tell a joke, all hands-free. It also controls compatible smart devices like lights and fans with simple voice commands. Sleek, privacy-conscious, and perfect for any room. It keeps your home connected and your day on track. Turn your kitchen into a smart workspace. This stainless steel sink comes with a pull-down spray faucet, digital display, and 2 waterfall outlets for quick and efficient cleaning. The basin-in-basin design keeps things organized, while a built-in drainage system prevents clogging. Accessories like a chopping board, knife rack, and cup washer make prep and cleanup effortless. Sleek, durable, and full-featured, it makes washing, rinsing, and organizing a total breeze. Level up your desk setup instantly. This cyberpunk digital clock shows pixel art, animated GIFs, and live data like weather, world clocks, and even stock prices. Wi-Fi connectivity keeps everything synced in real time, while you can customize your own pixel designs or choose from a huge online gallery. Sleek, futuristic, and perfect for gaming or creative workspaces, it's more than a clock, it's a digital statement piece. Keep it powered and watch your desk come alive. Upgrade your bedside game. This smart nightstand combines a wireless charger, USB ports, Bluetooth speaker, and fingerprint lock all in one sleek unit. Adjust the 3-color LED to set the perfect mood for reading or relaxing. The roomy drawers keep your essentials organized, while the sturdy design holds everything safely. Silent sliding drawers and easy-to-clean surfaces make daily life effortless and modern. Kick back and relax in style. This oversized velvet recliner swivels 360 degrees and rocks smoothly, so you can read, nap, or just chill effortlessly. A detachable phone holder lets you watch videos hands-free, while the plush cushions support your neck, back, and waist perfectly. The modern design fits any room, and the removable cover makes cleaning a breeze. Simple to assemble and endlessly comfortable, it turns lounging into a true treat. Bring some sci-fi magic into your room. This UFO speaker actually levitates and spins in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing 360 degrees display. You can lift the top disc off and take it anywhere, with up to 8 hours of music on the go. The wireless charging base powers it effortlessly, and Bluetooth connects instantly within 10 meters. Add colorful LED lights and crisp, powerful sound, and you've got a floating show that's both futuristic and fun. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles. This automatic dispenser gives you foam instantly with just a wave of your hand. The upgraded touch button is waterproof and adjustable, so you control how much soap comes out. It's rechargeable and can last for months on a single charge. Sleek, modern, and easy to mount, it works perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you need quick, touchless hygiene. Step into the future of bathroom comfort. This egg-shaped smart toilet opens automatically, flushes with a foot tap, and even keeps the seat warm for you. A gentle warm air dryer finishes the experience, leaving hands completely free. The water-saving system adjusts the flow for efficiency without wasting a drop. Sleek, modern, and easy to install, it turns a routine visit into a touch of luxury. Your valuables deserve more than a basic lockbox. This luxury security safe combines bold design with serious protection for watches, jewelry, and important documents. You can unlock it using your fingerprint, a PIN code, or a traditional key, giving you multiple ways to access what's inside. Reinforced bolts and a special anti-pry locking system help guard against tampering. Inside, customizable compartments and a built-in watch winder keep your collection organized and ready to wear. Your living room can turn into a bedroom in seconds. This clever sofa hides a full Murphy bed right behind it, giving you 2 pieces of furniture in one smart design. During the day, you've got a stylish 2-seat couch for relaxing or hosting guests. When it's time to sleep, simply pull the bed down and the space transforms instantly. A smooth, counterbalanced mechanism makes the change quick and effortless. Some desk decorations actually help you relax. This moving sand art frame slowly creates beautiful landscapes every time you flip it over. The colored sand drifts through the glass, forming mountains, valleys, and ocean-like waves right before your eyes. Built-in lighting offers warm, natural, or cool tones, turning it into a calming desk lamp too. Just watch the sand flow, and you'll feel the stress of the day start to fade. This sofa looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek curves and glowing LED strips along the sides give it that futuristic Tron-style vibe. The lights pulse and change with a remote, so you can set the mood for movie night or gaming. A built-in console with a removable glass top adds a modern touch and a handy place for drinks or gadgets. It's seating that turns your living room into a glowing showpiece. What if your coffee table could do a whole lot more? This multifunction table starts as a sleek centerpiece for your living room, but the top lifts and adjusts to become a full dining surface in seconds. Hidden compartments and drawers keep remotes, books, and clutter neatly out of sight. 4 small stools tuck perfectly underneath, ready whenever extra seating is needed. Smooth wheels on the bottom let you move it around the room without any effort. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This reclining love seat gives you a cozy seat for 2 with plush cushions that support your back and arms. Pull the recline handle and you can stretch out and relax in seconds. A center console keeps remotes and small items within reach, while built-in cup holders hold your drinks steady. The neutral upholstery blends easily with almost any living room style. Your mirror can do a lot more than show your reflection. This smart vanity mirror hides a waterproof touchscreen TV behind the glass, so when it turns on, your bathroom becomes an entertainment hub. You can stream videos, check the weather, or play music thanks to the built-in Android system with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. 3 adjustable LED light modes help with makeup or shaving, while the anti-fog feature keeps the mirror clear after a hot shower. Simple touch controls make everything easy to use. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.